I went inside the phone storage and tried to copy the folder normally. In most cases, this doesn't work and it gives an error like there is insufficient disk space to complete the operation. Even though the disk actually has a lot of free space, Windows shows this false error. When this happens, no matter how many times you try to copy the folder, it just won't work. So what we can do instead is use ADB from the platform tools. First, go ahead and download platform tools from Google. After downloading, open the folder, then at the top in the path bar, just type CMD and press enter. This will open command prompt inside the platform tools folder. Now run this command, ADB, pull SD card, DCIM, and your drive folder name. The first time I tried this, I got an error saying no such file or directory. That happened because I forgot to create the destination folder. So if that happens to you, just create a new folder. It can be named anything. In my case, I created a folder called phone backup on the O drive, then run the command again. This time it started copying the files successfully, and that's basically how you can copy files from your phone when Windows refuses to do it or gives that insufficient disk space error. Sometimes we need to use this method when normal copy just doesn't work. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.